Yo, did you know your Samsung phone can have super cool pop-up notifications without installing any extra apps? Yep, in just a few taps, your notifications can look way more stylish. Let me show you how. All right, let's get started. First, go to your settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, tap on Notification Pop-up Style. Make sure you select Brief. This is important. Now tap on Edge Lighting Style. Here's the fun part. You can choose different effects like heart, fireworks, eclipse, echo, or spotlight. Pick the one you like the most. You can also customize the color of the effect to match your style. And in the Advanced section, you can adjust the transparency and duration of the animation. That's it. Your Samsung phone should now show these awesome pop-up effects every time you get a notification. But hey, if it's not working yet, don't worry. Here's a quick fix. Go back and tap on Apps to show as brief. Turn off all apps, then turn it back on. Also, try turning off and on the specific app that's not showing the pop-up. And boom, that usually fixes it. Now your notifications don't just notify you, they show off. If you want more cool Samsung tips like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Trust me, your phone can do way more than you think.